Social media services Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram are back up and running after a blackout that lasted almost 6 hours on Monday night, reports Reuters, quoting Facebook as saying. The company says the cause was a faulty configuration change. All three services are owned by Facebook. The services could not be accessed over the web or on smartphone apps. Down Detector, which tracks outages, said it was the largest failure it had ever seen, with 10.6 million problem reports around the world. The services went down at about 16 GMT, with users beginning to gain access to the sites at around 22 GMT. In a statement on Tuesday, Facebook said that the faulty configuration change affected the company's internal tools and systems, and this complicated attempts to resolve the glitch. It added that there was no evidence that user data was compromised as a result of this downtime. Earlier, Facebook founder Mark Zuckerberg apologized to those affected by the outage. Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger are coming back online now. Sorry for the disruption today. I know how much you rely on our services to stay connected with the people you care about, he tweeted on Monday night. Some people also reported problems using Facebook's virtual reality headset platform, Oculus, and apps which require Facebook logins, including Pokemon Go. An outage of this scale for such a long time is not common, but a disruption in 2019 left Facebook and its other apps mostly inaccessible across the world for more than 14 hours. Several other tech companies, including Reddit and Twitter, poked fun at the social media giant's predicament, prompting responses from the affected apps. The disruption comes the day after an interview with a former Facebook employee who leaked documents about the company. Frances Haugen told CBS News on Sunday that the company had prioritized growth over safety. On Tuesday, she will testify before a Senate subcommittee in a hearing titled Protecting Kids Online about the company's research into Instagram's effect on the mental health of young users. Many outages get resolved fairly quickly. They are often localized too, with some people unable to open a website that can be viewed in another country. This outage, however, was global and affected all of Facebook's many offshoots. News Desk, Kaumudi Global.